They thought they had the upper hand.
When India launched its assault, Pakistan responded with unwavering resolve. In the skies, our fighter jets soared.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after
They requested the U.S. to intervene.
I got facts over tracks,
Pakistan to cease fire. They turned to Muslim leaders worldwide,
but I
seeking
don't know
support
if that
to
can
quell the
erase all the
storm they
past
had
and the
unleashed.
pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built
The
to
world
last.
witnessed a pivotal moment, a reminder that Pakistan stands resilient, ready to defend its honor and sovereignty at all costs.